What a great game of hide and sheep. But now it's time for sheep to sleep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sheep ready for sleep. Or maybe not. There's always time for one more game. Let's row. 3. Okay, sheep, listen to me. I want you all in groups of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well done, sheep. It's clear to see. 6 is the same as 3 plus 3. Let's row. 2. Okay, sheep, here's what to do. Arrange yourselves in groups of 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 6 is the same as 3 lots of 2. I know that now, thanks to you. Listen now, I can't count more sheep. It's time for you to get some sleep. Oh, I see. Time for tricks. Arrange yourselves in a group of 6. 1 little sheep, 2 little sheep, and 3 little sheep, 4 little sheep, 5 little sheep, and 6 little sheep. Wait a moment. Was that the gate? It was. They're gone. I'm too late. Look at that. 2 lots of 3. That's 1 too many for just one me. Or is it?
Found you, sheep 1, 2, and 3. There you are, behind that tree. I found another. 1, 2, 3. You gotta be smart to hide from me. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 from me. 1, 2, 3, and 3 from me.
1 little sheep, 2 little sheep, and 3 little sheep. 4 little sheep, 5 little sheep, and 6. Not again, you naughty sheep. Come back here. It's time to sleep. Oh no, they found 3 ways to run. And I thought counting sheep was fun.
Quick march. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
If that's the way you want it to be, 6 naughty sheep need 6 of me. Now listen up, you naughty sheep. It's definitely positively time to sleep. If counting sheep sends me to sleep, counting blocks might work for sheep. Finally, bedtime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 green bottles. 10 green bottles hanging on the wall. 10 green bottles hanging on the wall.
But if 1 green bottle should accidentally fall,
there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 green bottles hanging on the wall. Better move these 9 before they fall. They're not safe up there. 9 green bottles safely on the floor. 9 green bottles safely on the floor.
But if one green bottle becomes a dinosaur...
There'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 green bottles not safe on the floor. Octoblock hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hide. 8 green bottles hiding in a box. 8 green bottles hiding in a box.
But if one green bottle is stolen by a fox... Hey!
There'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 green bottles hiding in the box. That was lucky. Ooh. 7 green bottles flying through the air. 7 green bottles flying through the air.
But if one green bottle should wake a grizzly bear...
What?
I mean, hug a teddy bear?
Phew! There'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 green bottles falling through the air. 6 is my name, let's play a game. And this game goes like this. 6 green bottles lying on the ground. 6 green bottles lying on the ground.
And if one green bottle spins around...
Whoa!
You win! There'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green bottles lying on the ground.
Yeah!
5 green bottles rolling down the hill. 5 green bottles rolling down the hill. But if one green bottle should grow a daffodil...
There'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 green bottles rolling down the hill. 4 green bottles standing in a square. 4 green bottles standing in a square.
But if one green bottle should run to the fair... There'll be 1, 2, 3, 3 green bottles standing in a triangle. 1, 2, 3. 3 green bottles spinning in the sky. 3 green bottles spinning in the sky. But if one green bottle should flap its wings and fly...
There'll be 1, 2, 2 green bottles spinning in the sky. Come back! 2 green bottles floating out to sea. 2 green bottles floating out to sea.
But if one green bottle should learn to water ski, there'll be 1 green bottle floating out to sea. One green bottle swallowed by a whale. 1 green bottle swallowed by a whale. But if that green bottle should grow a tickly tail, there'll be no green bottle swallowed by a whale.
10 green bottles hanging on a wall.
Safely on the floor.
Hiding in a box.
Flying through the air.
Lying on the ground.
10 green bottles rolling down a hill.
Standing in a square.
Spinning in the sky.
Floating out to sea.
Swallowed by a whale.
But if one green bottle should accidentally
Become
fall,
a dinosaur.
Stolen by a
wake a
fox.
grizzly bear to spin around a
Run to the fair.
Flap its wings and fly.
Learn to water ski.
Grow a tickly tail.
There'll be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No green bottles hanging on the wall.
One wonderful world and one... No! Oh, what was that? Hello?
1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Ooh, what's that?
It's one fluffy thing.
So cute! I wish I had a fluffy. Hey! Hey! 1, 2. 2 fluffies. They won't stop tickling.
Uh-oh! What do we do now?
Tell the others. Come on.
1, 2, 3. 3 fluffies. Oh no! Stop!
Look, a fluffy square.
Don't count them.
Count them. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fluffies.
Would you look at that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fluffies on 5 fingers.
Let's roll! Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fluffies!
Oh, lucky running into all of you. I see you've met the fluffies too. Aren't we all lucky? Come on, fluffies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fluffies. Sevens are not ticklish. How lucky is that? Oh, have you all had enough tickling? Why don't you just make 7s then? How? I'll show you. 1 and 6.
1 plus 6 equals
7. Oh, that's better. Pick me. 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Oh, that's better. 3 and 4. 3
Plus 4
equals 7. Oh, they've all stopped. We're so lucky. What do we do now? Oh. 8.
Have no fear. Octoblock is here. Octoblock tickle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickle. Ready for more?
Hooray for 7! Hooray for 8!
Hooray for everyone!
Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. The first little pig had a house with 1 room. Look, it has one window and one tree in the garden. And there's a number 1 on the door. But then came...
Ha! The big, bad square. Rawr. Little pig, let me in, let me in.
Not by the hair on my chin.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in. Shame, it's so square.
Luckily, the second little pig had a house with 2 rooms.
Room for 2, me and you. It has 1, 2, 2 windows, and 1, 2 trees in the garden. And there's a number 2 on the door. Tea for 2 and 2 for tea. Little peg, let me in, let me in. Not by the 2 hairs on my chinny chin. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in. Oops, sorry, 2.
1 plus 1 equals...
2. No worries, it's only pretend.
But where will we live now? Luckily, the third little pig... Oh, that's me! Busy, busy, busy. Had a house with 3 rooms. And 1, 2, 3, 3 windows. And 1, 2, 3, 3 turrets. And 1, 2, 3, 3 flags. And yes, thank you, 3.
Room for a couple more?
Sure. 2's company and 3's a party. Keeping that big bad square out is as easy as 1, 2, 3.
Little pig, let me in, let me in.
Not by the 3 hairs on my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
What? But how?
Just a little huff.
Hey! 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. See how you like it. Stop! This isn't how the story goes. The third house doesn't get blown down. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals
4.
Where will the 3 little pigs live now?
There's always my house. It's got 4 rooms with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 windows and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trees and a number 4 on the door.
1,
2,
3,
4.
That deserves a big hand. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs and a big bad square, and they all lived happily ever after. The end. Yay!
Numberblocks. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
1 number blob and me, counting everything we see, sharing a bun,
Sitting in the sun.
whistling a happy melody.
1 number blob.
And me, 1 bun,
1 sun.
1 number blob, and me.
2 number blobs and me, counting everything we see, taking off our shoes,
Looking for the clues.
whistling a happy melody. 2 number blobs and me, 1, 2, 2 shoes,
1, 2, 2 clues.
2 number blobs and me.
3 number blobs and me, counting everything we see, hiding in the trees,
Buzzing with the bees.
whistling a happy melody. 3 number blobs and me, 1, 2, 3, 3 trees,
1, 2, 3, 3 bees. 3 number blobs.
and me.
4 number blobs and me, counting everything we see, opening the door,
Slurping through a straw.
whistling a happy melody. 4 number blobs and me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 doors.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 straws.
4 number blobs and me.
5 number blobs and me, counting everything we see, gazing at the stars,
Parking all the cars.
whistling a happy melody. 5 number blobs and me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 stars.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cars. 5 number blobs.
And
and me.
6 Numberblocks and me, counting everything we see, picking up a stick,
Showing off the trick.
6 Numberblocks and me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 sticks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tricks. 6 Numberblocks.
And me.
7 Numberblocks and me, counting everything we see, flying a kite, rainbow kite.
Turning on the lights. Rainbow lights.
7 Numberblocks and me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 kites.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lights.
7 Numberblocks and me.
8 Numberblocks and me, counting everything we see, spinning all the plates, Alphablock spin.
Lifting all the crates. Numberblocks lift.
8 Numberblocks and me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plates.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 crates.
8 Numberblocks and me.
9 Numberblocks and me, counting everything we see, swinging through the vines.
Ignoring all the signs.
9 Numberblocks and me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 vines.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 signs.
9 Numberblocks and me.
10 Numberblocks and me, counting everything we see, writing with a pen.
Clocking like a hen.
10 Numberblocks and me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pens.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hens.
10 Numberblocks and me. 10 coloured pens, 10 little hens.
9 swinging vines, 9 warning signs.
8 spinning plates, 8 heavy crates.
7 floating kites, 7 rainbow lights.
6 wooden sticks, 6 clever tricks.
5 shooting stars, 5 motor cars.
4 open doors, 4 bendy straws.
3 leafy trees, 3 muddy leaves. 2 dancing shoes, 2 vital clues.
1 sticky bun, 1 golden sun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It's cold up here.
Keep going, everybody. We are near the top of Blocky Mountain.
Oh, if we're really lucky, we might spot the legendary Big Tum.
Ha! A big hairy monster with a big hairy tummy who loves puzzles? Don't be silly, 7.
Yum!
What was that?
Yum!
Big Tum!
Yum, yum! Who's in my tum?
Who's in? Wait, is one of us missing?
Everyone call out your number.
1,
2,
3,
Yum!
5,
6,
7.
8.
9.
10.
Where's 4? 4's missing.
4's in your tum.
Yum, yum! Well done!
Are you feeling okay, 4?
I'm fine, thank you. It was warm and snuggly in Big Tum's tum. Huh? Where did we go?
Come and get me!
Game on. Coming. Ready or not?
Look, 9. Nice smooth snow.
Yum!
Oh.
Yum, yum! Who's in my tum?
9. Oh, no. Where are you? It was me. I was 9. And Big Tum gobbled up some of my blocks. How many? I don't know. I had my eyes shut. Oh, I know. Here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Huh?
So, 9 was here. Then some of his blocks were taken away, and that left you 3, which means 9 minus
Yum!
equals 3. So what's missing? Come over here, 3. Hey! Brr. That's 1,
Yum, yum, well done. Huh?
It's good to be back. Where are the others?
Octoblock sledge!
Yum, 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 yum.
Everybody stay close. No need to panic.
What's wrong, friends? Why don't you... Oh, they're made of snow.
Yum, yum. Who's in my tum?
That's easy. The real 1, 2, 3, and 4.
No, they're all together now.
So what do they make when they're all together? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals...
Yum.
Let's try adding the snow blocks together. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 snow blocks.
So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10. There's a 10 in your tum.
Yum, yum, well done.
It's nippy out. Much warmer inside.
Oh, can we all come in until it stops snowing, please?
No problem. And plenty of room for you too.